Welcome to Core English.
Hi everyone, welcome to Core English. I'm Andrea, and today I want to talk about my daily routine. Most days are simple and easy, but sometimes things happen that I really don't expect. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes slowly and sit up in bed. I stretch my arms and tell myself, "Okay, Andrea, it's time to start the day." So far, everything feels normal. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and feel more awake. Cold water helps, even if I don't like it very much. Then I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes because I want to feel good all day. Next, I walk into the kitchen. My parents are already there. We sit down and have breakfast together. I eat bread and eggs and drink my coffee. At this moment, my day feels very peaceful. But then, something unexpected happens. I accidentally spill coffee on my shirt. Oh no, now my clothes are dirty. I look down and think, seriously, right now? This is definitely not part of my morning routine. For a second, I feel a little annoyed, but I take a deep breath and stay calm. It's okay. I still have time. I quickly go back to my room and change my clothes. I put on a clean white t-shirt and my blue jacket. Much better. I grab my bag, say goodbye to my parents, and get ready to leave. I get into my car and drive to work. Traffic is slow, but that's very normal in Los Angeles. I turn on some music, and little by little, I feel relaxed again. When I arrive at the office, I say hello to my coworkers and sit at my desk. I check my emails, open my files, and start working. Everything feels back to normal. Then, another surprise. My computer freezes. The screen doesn't move at all. I stare at it and say, "Oh no, not again. I really didn't see this coming." I feel stressed for a moment, but I stop and take a deep breath. I ask for help, explain the problem, and wait. Soon, my computer works again. Problem solved. After work, I go home. I feel tired, but also relieved. I have dinner with my parents, and we talk about our day. It feels nice to slow down. Later, I change into my pajamas and get into bed. Before sleeping, I think about my day and smile a little. It wasn't perfect, but it was okay. That's my daily routine. Sometimes things go wrong, and sometimes they surprise us. What about you? Do unexpected things happen in your day? Write a comment below. Like the video, subscribe to Core English, and keep learning English with me. See you next time. Bye.